Good morning, guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and I am so excited because it's our moving day. So yeah, today is our moving day. So medyo wala pa akong energy dahil I'm still sleepy. Sobrang aga pa ngayon. So yeah, I'm gonna show you the things that were already been arranged and packed. So, ito na yung mga gamit ko, guys. I have my mirror here. And then, the box of coffee, mga gamit. Actually, gumamit na ako ng trash cellophane. Kasi, wala na talaga akong mapaglagyan, guys. And then, these are all my stuff. And that one, and also that one. I'm so excited for today kasi um, ngayon kami maglilipat. My friends are going to help me to move out from this place and to move into my new place, which I am so excited about. So, ayun guys, there is actually no reason why, actually there are so many reasons why I really wanted to move. Um, Honestly speaking, wala naman talagang akong plano maglipat. It's just that it so happened lang na maglilipat ako. Kasi, my room here is actually okay. And, it's very close to my work. But, alam mo yung ang dami nangyayari. Tas, I need to like, budget my expenses and my money. So, I found a place. Actually, it's not me who found it. It's my friend. And then my friend showed it to me. And it was very cheap, actually. It was very cheap, and the price is so amazing kasi sobrang mura lang niya. My new place will be cost me around 3,800. That is only for a room. And then the the electricity is 7 baht per unit, and the water is unlimited 100 baht a month. Ayun. And then it's it's a really big difference between my new space and this apartment. Kasi itong apartment ko ngayon, it cost me like 5,000 baht per month for the room rent. And then for the electricity, it's actually like 8 8 or 9 baht per unit, and my water is 200 baht per month. So, yun, malaki talaga masasave ko pag naglipat ako dun sa bago. Well, dun sa bago kong space, it's actually closer to my friend's place. So, hindi naman ako mahihirapan. But, the transportation is actually a bit, it's not difficult actually because it's near to the main road. I just need to walk from my apartment and a little bit like 5 minutes to the main road, and I just have to wait a public transportation, which is what we call here hotel. But sometimes kasi guys, ang tamad-tamad ko talaga, especially early in the morning going to work. So I usually like take motorbike taxi and go to work. So hopefully magsisipag na akong gumising talaga at mag-effort sa umaga para mag-commute na lang. Ayun. It's not that far from my work. Actually, it's like 10 minutes drive from my work, but it's not happening that you can walk from it. Kasi itong old apartment ko ngayon, I can walk from here to my to my workplace. But my new place, it's not happening. It's so impossible. So, yun. And yeah, and one of also the reasons why I wanted to move is that that place is very big. Like, it's not very, very big. It's just wide and have space for a small mini um living area, which you can really like make a living area happen, yung ganon. And I have so many plans for that new place. I want to have a makeover from it and make it like a boho style. I am actually um returning my passion for DIY and designing. So yeah, So there's not a big reason why I actually moved. It's only like a matter of money matters. Ayun guys. So yeah, so I hope like you will go with me. You will accompany in my moving in and moving out and moving in with my friends. So yeah, so let's just wait because I'm gonna be moving out in this apartment at 10 a.m. So I'm gonna wait for my friend and the Songteo, which is the public transportation where we're gonna put all my stuff and then move to the new apartment. So yeah, so let's wait for my friends then. And yeah, samahan niyo ako guys sa araw na to ng aking moving day. What's up with you guys? So, we're done. Totally done. Lipat bahay session. So, hindi ko na na-vlog yung ginawa namin kanina. Kasi sobrang pagod ko guys. Alam nyo ba? Walang elevator dito sa building na to. So, it's only stairs. And I am in the 4th floor. So, sobrang sobrang napagod kami. I am thankful enough that I have friends who help me to get through with this. So, yeah. So, pakita ko sa inyo yung aking empty na hindi ko pa na ayos yung mga gamit. And I super love this room and I have so many things, so many ideas for this room and for my upcoming makeover room. So, ito na yung aking room, guys. So, pag dito yung door, ito yung door, and then when you enter, ito yung aking new space. Sobrang gusto ko yung aking space, guys. Dahil hindi lang siya mura. This room only is 3,800 baht for the room only, not included electricity and the water. So, ito ang aking living space area. So, living area, then mini living area. I have so many plans for this area. Gagawin ko tong parang bohemian area. Tapos ito ang aking king size bed, and this is that is my vanity mirror, and meron pa akong sobrang laking space dun guys for my working desk. And this is my huge cabinet that I really love kasi sobrang dami kong damit guys, and feel ko makakasya, sobrang laki ng space. Ayan, so lilinisan ko pa to. And then, I really love it. And this is the mirror. And the space is so huge and wide. So this will be my kitchen slash dining area. I will put my table here, my dining table, and also another table here where I can place my rice cooker, mga lutuan and everything, my coffee maker and ano dyan. And then this area, so I'm not quite sure. I think I will move this refrigerator. I'll just put it this way. Then dito ko ilalagay yung aking parang clothing rack, and then my whole size body mirror, and then gagawin ko din siya something na bohemian style. So I really love my new place. And then this is my toilet. Okay guys, na memory full ako. So I'm thinking to change my mirror. I think I don't like this mirror. Yeah, I'm planning to change this mirror, and also I'm planning to change my faucet. Lilinisin ko pa to. I really love that I have this para siyang table sa sink, kasi yung dati kong sink, ito lang yung siya, walang ganito. Ayan. So, this is also my balcony. It's so nice. It's big, but it's not big as same as my old balcony, but I really love. And this is my view, my neighborhood. And yan guys. So, yes. Yan. So, this is it guys. My new living space. My new apartment. And I'm really excited. excited ako kasi I'm going to have a makeover of this room into a bohemian style, kasi I really love bohemian and I feel the vibe of it, so I'm really excited. So ayun guys, and this is my moving out, moving in vlog. I hope you like it, and yeah, sobrang napagod talaga kami, and I hope you like this video and give it a thumbs up if you like this, and hope to see you in my next video. Bye!